Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Priya's Curious Kitchen. Hope all are doing great. Today's recipe is about a paneer recipe. Surely the paneer lovers would love it. I'm going to show you to do restaurant style kadai paneer. In my channel already I've shown you paneer 65 and paneer butter masala. Kadai paneer is a different recipe with a powdered masala added to it. Let's quickly check out the recipe. The ingredients required for the kadai paneer: take 2 large tomatoes chopped, 3 large onions chopped in bigger size, and take few ginger garlic cloves, followed by take 1 large capsicum. Now take a saucepan or a kadai. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I have added the onions, the half of the onions, not the full. I am stirring it well on a low flame. Now I have added the capsicum. Saute the vegetables for 2 minutes on a low flame. Once the onions are transparent, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Taken 400 grams of paneer cubes for the kadai paneer. Now take a pan, add 2 spoons of butter, and I've added the paneer cubes. Stir it well until it turns nice golden brown color, keeping it on medium or low flame. Once it is turned to nice golden brown color, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now for the kadai paneer, I'm going to dry roast few ingredients, starting with 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, followed by 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and few cloves. I'm adding few whole spices and 3 to 4 red chilies. Stir the ingredients on a low heat for 2 minutes. Dry roast the ingredients until you get a beautiful aroma. Once it is done, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Cool the mixture and grind it to a fine powder. Now in the same kadai, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, and I have added the ginger garlic cloves, stirring it well, and then I have added the balanced onions which I told you in the beginning, and I have also added the chopped tomatoes. Saute the veggies on a low or medium heat. Cook the veggies roughly about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tomatoes are mashed up, turn off the stove, cool the vegetables and grind it to a fine paste. In the same kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add the grounded onions and tomato paste, and I'm adding little water to match up the consistency. So cook till the masala gets thickened. Keep on stirring it on a medium flame. Now you can see the water has been evaporated. So now it's the good time to add the powdered masala. I'm just mixing it all together. Now you can see the masala is becoming thick, and now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, mixing it well, and to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Give a quick mix. Now you can see the paste has reduced beautifully. The oil is beginning to separate. At this stage, I have added the fried onions and the capsicum, and I'm giving a gentle mix and also adding little water, depends on the consistency level. Now cook the gravy for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. Close it with a lid. Now the gravy has been cooking for about 10 minutes. So now it's the good time to add the fried paneer cubes to the kadai gravy, and I'm mixing it all together. Now at this stage, after a minute, you can also add 1 or 2 spoons of fresh cream. This is option to get the gravy rich and flavored. And I'm finishing off with adding few crushed kasturi methi. So mix it well all together. Now the kadai paneer recipe is done. You can serve it hot with some steamed rice or parathas by the side. Here goes the absolute delicious kadai paneer restaurant style recipe. For more cooking videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to receive the notifications. See you all in the next video.